Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning, Standard SY BCom, Subject Computer Education. Students, today we are going to learn about purchase order, sales order and sales invoice. Also, we learn about trial balance, balance sheet and profit and loss account in Tally. So let's start with purchase order. A purchase order is a source document used by the purchasing department to place an order with the vendor or a supplier. The shortcut key for purchase order is Alt plus F4. This is the screen for purchase order. Next is sales order. A sales order is an order issued by a business or a sole trader to a customer. Shortcut key for sales order is Alt plus F5. This is the screen for sales order. Now what is sales invoice? A sales invoice or a bill is a statement of account created by a seller to a buyer. Sales invoice indicates that material is received and contains terms of delivery, delivered quantity, amount payable, etc. This is the screen for sales invoice. Now let's see trial balance. A trial balance is a summary of all ledger balances to check whether the figures are correct and balanced. Considering that the journal entries are error-free and posted correctly to the journal ledger, the total of all debit balances should equal to the total of all credit balances. To view trial balance, go to Gateway of Tally, then click on Display and then finally click on Trial Balance. Next is balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that reports a firm's financial position at a specific time. The term balance sheet implies that a report shows the balance between two figures. It shows a balance between the assets and the liabilities of firm and the owner's fund. To view balance sheet, in Gateway of Tally, you click on the balance sheet and you can view the balance sheet. Finally, let's see profit and loss account. The profit and loss account is a periodic statement which shows the net result of a business operations for a specified period. All expenses incurred and incomes earned during the reporting period are recorded here. The profit and loss account in Tally displays information based on the default primary groups. To view profit and loss account, in Gateway of Tally, click on profit and loss account and there you can view the profit and loss account. That's all in this video. Thank you.